Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to Haseeb Electronics. Friends, in this video I am going to demonstrate how to test AC capacitor, a capacitor used in fans, in washing machine motors, AC motors. We will test. To test capacitor we need a capacitance meter or a digital multimeter with capacitance value. Move it to respective selection range, and to select capacitance we have to press yellow button because there is a sub yellow level. Before testing any capacitor, short circuit the two leads because sometime the capacitor have voltage. You must discharge a capacitor. Before touching capacitor, always discharge. Never touch any capacitor before discharging it. I will test now. I connected this. It is giving me 1.66 microfarad. 1.66 microfarad. It is 2 microfarad. It is weak. It is near to range, but it is weak. It should be 2, that means plus minus 5%, that means it should be 1.9 to 2.1. It is the same. These two capacitors are weak. We can also check if you don't have a digital multimeter. Just take two leads, connect this cable in the line socket, connect these leads to capacitor for a short moment. It will get charge. Now don't touch capacitor, just only leads. We can see there is a spark. There will be a spark. That means the capacitor is charged fully. It is just approximation. It is working or not. We can see it is a quick method, but the best way to test a capacitor, that is multimeter. When we charged this capacitor, we can see there is a voltage level 160 volt. I charged at 220 volt and it is discharging. If the capacitor is good, it will not discharge. If you think this video is useful for you, if you are satisfied with this video, you can subscribe and press bell icon button so you will find my every new updates. And thank you for watching. Stay blessed. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.